Hi everyone, I am S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is the Payment of Wages Act 1936. First, I give the Payment of Wages Act 1936 that regulates the manner in the wages are paid to employees of workers. They either the routine of manner and also to prevent illegal deductions of the wages of workers. This act was passed by the Indian Parliament on April 23, 1936. It applies to the organized as well as unorganized sector of industry. The scheme under this act is to protect the vested interests of employees, particularly the low wage receivers from exploitations. The Payment of Wages Act 1936. The Payment of Wages Act of the year 1936 is one of the most significant legislation produced by Indian towards labor legislation. The act deals to the regulation of payment of wages to some classes of workers and also ask for the wages of in this sector. So it is very unauthorized dedications, and it is a workers and also ask for wages in time without any unauthorized dedication, and protects them from exploitations of employees. The act has undergone the several amendments over the years to suit the changes in labor policies and economic conditions. This article will give a detailed explanations of the meaning, the salient features of objectives, scope, importance, and provisions of the act. So the objective of the Payment of Wages Act 1936 are follows: they ensure timely and proper payment of wages and the employed individuals and the protect them from unauthorized deductions. It ensures employees abide by the rules and comply with the act requirements by providing the for penalties case of non-compliance, to foster industrial harmony and peace by providing a fair and transparent wages permanent process, to create balance and sustained approach priorities workers financial well while promoting an effective industrial environment. The next is a features of Payment of Wages Act. The first, it is a meaning. The Payment of Wages Act enacted in 1936 is safeguard the timely disbursement of wages to employees of various organizations and regulates the frequency, the mode and manner of wage payment, the preventing unauthorized employees exploitative wage practices. Under the act, wages have been very comprehensively defined to include all type of money consideration received by the employee in the form of their wages, salaries, leave salary, bonuses, and any other type of allowance. The act the specific the provisions regarding wages to whom the should be paid and within the time period of also it offences of may occur when the provisions the act are the violated of the employer. The applicability. The Payment of Wages Act 1936 ensure the fair of distribution of wages to the employees earning wages below rupees 24,000 per month and protects their rights. The period of payment, it's very important. The mandatory amendment of to payment wages for month of 7th or 10th of the following month. However, considering the type of workers employees can receive the weekly and daily. The next is a mode of payment. The mode of payment is that should be made on currency notes, coins, or checks with further permission from employees. Wages can be transferred directly to their bank, the account of insuring. Are you interested in pursuing the career in law? The legal school in collaborative with the Indus Law has created a unique 4-month program for a certification in the mergers accusations for the fresh law guarantor, as well as provisional looking to the advances there. Carriers inquiries now deals with the Wages Act. So it is very important. So finally we consider to the Wages Act.